crazy. I'm currently in the middle of getting ready. When I blow dry my hair, my bathroom gets so hot. Take a break and like cool off. I'm really excited for this video. It's been a long time coming. Like I found out about this in like April of 2025 and the performance is March 1st, 2026. And I've been really excited to see how it's gonna play out. So I'm playing with Vivo Performing Arts. They used to be called the Celebrity Series of Boston, but they changed their name, I believe, to make it more inclusive and accessible. Love that. And I'm playing with a couple different clarinetists. One of the clarinetists I'm actually gonna go see perform this morning. I have not met any of these clarinetists yet. I know who they are, but I don't think they know who I am. Well, they know well, we've communicated via email, but like I haven't met them in real life yet. I know. And we're starting today off with a concert, one of my favorite pieces. It's a piece written by Golyov, and it's called The Dreams and Prayers of Isaac the Blind. And then I have rehearsal later with the three clarinetists and myself. Like I play better when I'm like put together, so that's what I'm trying to do right now before I leave. Well, that was an amazing concert, like hands down. Each member of the string quartet also got up and played like a solo piece from a living composer, and it was just like such a good program. My best friend came with me. We ran into people that we knew there. I met a person who I have rehearsal with in a couple hours. They had a reception and I got a cup sandwich. So I'm gonna eat my cup sandwich because it's like just enough food, it's just light enough so that I feel like I will still be able to play. I gotta charge my iPad. Like I gotta do things that are like getting ready for rehearsal right now. Maybe I will put my bass clarinet together and just play just so that when I get to rehearsal, it's not the first time I've played my clarinet all day. The person who I'm playing with tonight, he seems like the nicest person. I'm no longer nervous about the social aspect of it because like it's not that he should be. It's just that, and I have imposter syndrome, and I'm trying to deal with that. All right, I'm gonna eat my cup sandwich and try to gather my thoughts. I think I made friends. I think I made 3 friends. It was a great rehearsal. It was so much fun. Okay, car. This is where we part ways. See you after the storm. Holy crap. So we are currently having a way worse snowstorm than we had a couple weeks ago, but the conditions, it's like a total whiteout. Like I could see across the street, but not very much further down. It's very, very windy. It's snowing sideways, like the snow is just, it's going this way. It's not coming down, it's going this way. I hope that they overestimated the amount of snow that we're gonna get, because right now we're looking at like another like 2 feet of snow, like 18 to 24 inches, so that's great. The old snow had like just started to melt, but it never melted, so we had like 2 feet of snow that it's now being snowed on. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get my car out because it's supposed to stop snowing at 7. It is dark at 7, so I'm gonna have to shovel in the dark. 'Cause right now it's pretty early. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just up, and I'm not gonna do any workout today because my workout is gonna be shoveling later. Yay! Very chill morning. Colin's at work. I tried to get him to work from home, but he's a stubborn one. I just brushed my teeth. Jacob Tierney, the director of Heated Rivalry, also directed Letterkenny, which you can stream on Hulu. And it is the perfect show. So stupid, but also so smart and witty at the same time. Jokes fly by, and you're like, wait a minute, that was so funny. I gotta give the cat some treats, watch some Letterkenny, have some breakfast, have some coffee. We will reconvene. This is just gonna be like a reset day. You can't even see anything. The snow is just covering the whole window. It's my neighbor shoveling. I know I have to go outside and shovel. I don't want to. I have an energy drink that has THC in it, and I'm wondering if I drink that and then go shovel my car, like, is that a good idea? So, hold on. I am getting ready to do something that I never do. I am going to go out into the middle of a blizzard to start the process of shoveling. I'm just gonna go see what it's like, knowing that whatever I do will just get snowed over. I do have rehearsal at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and I'm trying to get out of it. I think having a rehearsal the morning after a blizzard and expecting everybody to be ready to travel at that time, I'm very not okay with that. Currently 25 degrees, but it feels like -1. Yeah, I don't want to do this. Everything's covered. Literally everything. I'm so cold. It's gross. It's gross. I think I'm gonna take another hot shower, honestly, because I am frozen to the bone. I gotta do some serious skincare tonight. As far as I know, Boston schools are closed tomorrow. I might have another snow day tomorrow just to like clean up. This snowstorm, like I was in denial. I was in denial about it, and today was a very rude awakening. I am exhausted. Burned 500 calories yesterday shoveling. We have another snow day. I wasn't gonna leave today, but the parking ban was just lifted, so I might move my car. But before I do that, I do need to go to the store. I wouldn't leave the house if little one's bowl wasn't completely empty and we needed more cat food. Okay, we are in from step 1, which was just food shopping. It's not as bad walking around out there. Like I almost ate shit, but only once. We got a baguette. Meow. Oat milk, the usual, the typical. I also found this mango juice drink. A couple more staples, butter, heavy cream, cream of chicken. There goes the maple syrup onto the floor. Mixed veg, maple syrup, orzo. I'm gonna make sort of like a chicken pot pie inspired meal. I've got some chicken defrosting, just one chicken breast. I'm trying to use it up. Serve it with bread and butter, comfort food kind of meal. Any leftovers will just be meal prepped for the following days. And for lunch, I've got a couple cans of tuna. I think I'm just gonna make like a quick tuna salad just to have like in a pocket. She's looking at me. Hi. Okay, I have to see what horrors await at my car. I'm just worried about getting out of the spot. I'm assuming there's probably some shoveling that needs to be done, just like very light shoveling. Hopefully just park it right out front so that it's ready to go for tomorrow morning. It's too hot. I think we're almost there, but the snow's a lot heavier today than it was yesterday. Okay, so this is either gonna be really quick and easy or really embarrassing. Right now, everybody is shoveling out their cars, and every time a car leaves, everyone kind of stops and looks. I've got solid ice under all 4 of my wheels, but I put some salt down for traction. Sometimes I'm like, oh yeah, I can do it. I hope I can do it. Moment of truth. Did I shovel this out enough? Reporting back with the good news. I got my car out. I'm so glad I did that because I would be going to bed with anxiety tonight about tomorrow morning. It did require a little bit of shoveling, maybe like an hour maybe that I was out there for. In fact, the scariest part was just going on the side roads because like it's kind of like at this point the sun is low enough where like things are starting to freeze. There's basically just like slush and ice in the streets. And so I was on some little side streets going uphill on frozen slush, and like the little thing on my car was blinking that's like, hey, we don't have traction, FYI. So I was kind of sliding a little bit, but the main roads are fine. The highways are fine. There's a lot of anxiety that I have around snow and parking in cars, but so far I'm feeling good. What I don't feel good about are my socks that are wet and my boots that are wet. So hopefully my boots will dry out tomorrow. I'm sounding good. Have I even told you what we're doing this week? About a year ago, I got an email from the Celebrity Series of Boston to be a bass clarinetist for their Clarinet Weekend, where on Saturday they're focusing on Latin jazz klezmer clarinet, and then on Sunday they're doing classical clarinet. They're having like some really well-known people play at these events, and I was recommended to play bass clarinet on the classical day because to wrap everything up and celebrate the whole weekend, they're having the 3 clarinetists who were headlining. They wanted to get like a clarinet quartet together. Okay, and here's the finale with everybody. So I am playing bass clarinet on 4 pieces. I thought it was going to be a lot more intimidating. It's actually been really fun. Everybody is like so nice. I feel like I'm leaving having made 3 friends. Like everyone is just like respectful, goofy, really chill, normal people to hang out with. Part of the reason was I'm the only woman until we have our pianist, which isn't going to be until like the day of the show. They're all like really successful. Not that I'm not successful. I think I just like didn't know them as people. I've listened to them play. I've seen them play. I thought that I would be super nervous to the point where it like could affect my playing because I've been so nervous that I just play like crap. We're only playing 4 pieces of music and we had rehearsal for like 2 hours. It's been so nice. I am like super grateful for this opportunity. I mean, it's definitely like a one-off kind of thing, but I'm interested to know if anything will come of it, because it's the Celebrity Series of Boston. Like, there's a lot of eyes on this organization. They're actually like not even the Celebrity Series anymore. Like, they changed their name to Vivo Performing Arts. So that's why I'm referring to them as both, because a lot of people know them as the Celebrity Series of Boston. Encompasses kind of more, instead of being like this super stiff celebrities only, like exclusive, like expensive elite kind of thing. It's just showing that they are making an effort to be more inclusive. So I do have rehearsal at Symphony Hall again. Today's a busy day and it's gonna be a late day, but it's gonna be a good day. Narrowly avoided a parking fiasco. With the snow emergency, people are parking in garages, and 2 out of the 3 garages I went to were absolutely full. I'm actually parked in this parking garage near where I went to undergrad, which is just like a block or 2 away from Symphony Hall. But either way, parking took a little longer than anticipated. I don't care how much it costs, we are parked, but that was stressful. I did not foresee parking being an issue, but apparently it is. My rehearsal schedule is wearing me so thin. I've had rehearsals all week. It's Saturday morning and I have a rehearsal here. It's just me and Viola. We're doing Shades of Violet, my favorite piece. Okay, welcome to Clarinet Weekend. I'm just gonna practice for a little while and then I'm gonna head over to the Multicultural Arts Center to see the first day of Clarinet Weekend, which is Latin, jazz, klezmer, woo! Pretty low key today, but I'm gonna warm up now and practice because I'm performing in Clarinet Weekend Day 2, which is tomorrow. When I leave the concert and I'm feeling really inspired, I'm gonna come home and practice and work on stuff on this. Tomorrow's the concert, so sweet. It's like 53 degrees. It's basically summer. I'm still wearing my down jacket because there's still snow everywhere. It's gorgeous outside and the sun is out and I feel alive. I forgot what color looked like. You are gonna recognize the place that we're going. Funny story, I actually don't know where the front door is because I'm so used to playing there as an ensemble, as an artist, that I'm not 100% sure where the front door is. So it really is just like so epic. Like I forgot what it was like. I feel alive. Performance. I knew it was gonna be. Seems kind of funny to state the obvious, but holy crap, that was a great concert. 2 of my students, like one former, one current, were there. It's just like in a row of clarinet players and it was cute.
in the third bar. Sì, ora. We take it together. Yeah. Remember the important thing.